How to make an Instagram carousel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make Instagram carousel, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply select on the post and then tap on select multiple. Now you can select any pictures over here for more than one. So I'm going to tap on 4 over here for now. So let's just select 4 pictures and then tap on next. As you tap on next, now you can add audio, you can add text, overlay, filters, or make necessary edits. And if you're fine with just the way it is, it's fine as well. Then tap on next. And what you simply need to do is, as you tap on next, you'll be able to add the captions, add music, tag people, add location, and so on. And then simply tap on share and you'll be able to simply make an Instagram carousel over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.